Okay, good day. Welcome to C7 Hobbies, Episode 4. I'm Colossal Meltdown. My friends call me Colossal or CMD. Why Colossal? Well, with the name of Phil McCracken, let's just go with Colossal. As much as I love wargaming, I do not get to play as often as I would like. The closest local hobby store is 45 minutes away to an hour, and that's not by snowshoe. I may only get to play a couple of times per quarter. In prepping for an upcoming game and knowing I was going to be teaching a new young player, I realized something so few people talk about. Yet they complain so much. Game etiquette. I'm going to go through my top 20 game etiquette items most people should be familiar with or have some knowledge of. Okay, let's just dive in. Here are my 20 etiquette items in no particular order. Number 1, be on time. Respect your opponent's time. People have lives, families, kids, work, etc. If the game starts at 6, don't show up at 6:40 with Tim Hortons and excuses. Unless you brought me a double-double and a donut, then I could possibly let it slide. But really, hobby time is sacred, eh? Number 2, know your army as best as you can. You don't need to be perfect, bud, but flipping through your codex for every troop type and every rule slows the game more than molasses in January. Number 3, bring what you need. Don't show up with a dream and a smile. Bring your dice, measuring tape, rules, and emotional support. Everyone should have their own dice, tape measures, rules, minis, maybe even some glue for sudden emergencies. Don't expect your opponent to be the hobby version of Canadian Tire, eh? Number 4, discuss expectations before the game. Let them know. Casual, competitive, crusade, chapter approved, full chaos, or just for fun. Are proxies okay? Who has what enchantment and weapon loadouts? Let's set the tone, bud. Nothing worse than to find out turn 2 who had what enhancements and what detachment special rules are coming. No one can ever know every army rule and stratagem, nor should one need to. Number 5, be honest with your rules and rules. Don't fudge dice or misread rules by accident. We all see ya. We all see ya. The Emperor's watching, eh? And he's judgy. Call out your roll dice. I got 4 hits on a +4, discarding 3 dice. I have 1 reroll due to whatever special rule. And let people see the dice before speedrunning through your dice rolls. If you're not sure about a possible misread on a dice roll, rule, or a stratagem, ask about it and find out where you can get more information. Use it as a learning experience to better understand possibly your troops and your opponent's troops. Number 6, announce what you're doing clearly. I'm moving. I'm shooting. I'm charging. Not, yeah, I guess I did that already. As an opposing player, you too can announce what you could be doing in response. Oh, if you move here, I can go in Overwatch. Or if you shoot there, then what stops me from doing this strategy? As mentioned, we don't all know the possible items. We're here to have fun, learn, and socialize. Besides, this is not the third war for Armageddon, nor is this the international tournament circuit. Yeah, I can hear others say, but Colossal, in the art of war, never interrupt your opponent when they're making a mistake. If that's how you're going to play, then make it clear. But do know, outside of competitive games, you'll eventually be playing by yourself. This is a game which is supposed to be social, fun. It's not an actual war. Number 7, handle opponents' models with care, or not at all. This is my biggest personal pet peeve. Ask before you touch. These are people's painted babies. They are hand painted works of art and can be exceptionally delicate. They're not dollar store army men. Admire from a distance. If you do get permission to pick up someone's miniature, You will handle it like it's a priceless 3,000-year-old frail porcelain pot. Number 8, keep the table organized. Don't let your models sprawl all over like a moose on ice, eh? Get a dice tray or use a small box. You don't want your dice spread out and spilled like Timbits. Keep your area clean as much as possible throughout the game. Number 9, take backs within reason. Forget to shoot a guy 2 phases ago? Ask politely. Don't abuse it. You know, I forgot to deploy half my army. Well, too bad, bud. Number 10, don't rules lawyer every little thing. If you're here to win at all costs, like I said, go play at the international tournament circuit. You're here to have fun, play nice, eh? If anything, ask questions. It's better to ask than to tell. So, like, where did you see that? Or where can I read more about that? This isn't a courtroom. It's a fun plastic war. So ease up, Perry Mason. Number 11, help new players. Don't crush them. There is no reason to wipe clean your opponent by turn 2. Gatekeeping is lame. Help others love the game as much as you do. Giving a new player a win could mean everything to them and could get them motivated to play even more and grow. It costs you nothing. I mean, if you leave them with the win after 5 turns, but you've wiped their models off the table, it kind of plays out as a win-win, you know? Teach them as you go on what they can do, what they could have done, and what other stages of each phase of each turn. This is a hobby. It's much more fun with more folks. Number 12, call out cool plays, even if it's against you. I know, we can all get caught up in the trash talking, but keep it clean and respectful. Even if your unit got wrecked, give props where your opponent pulls off something wild like, holy cow, that was awesome. This goes a long way, eh? Number 13, measure fair and straight. Don't eyeball 6 inches like it's a loose estimate, like give or take a Tuesday. Get the tape out, you hoser. But don't hover over others like they're during their movement phase and be double checking them. There does need to be some level of trust and honesty. Number 14, clean hands, clean dice, clean conscience. Crazy it needs to be said, but come on, folks. Personal and overall hygiene. Greasy dice, sticky tape, that's a war crime, bud. If I wanted greasy chaos, I'd go to the drive-thru. Number 15, keep the salt in the kitchen. No one likes a sore loser or a smug winner. You lost. Boo-hoo. You won. Don't gloat. Either way, don't be a double hosehead. Number 16, say good game and mean it. Win or lose, and with respect. This is a community, not a bar brawl. If you're getting trounced in turn 3 and the game's not being fun, end the game graciously. Say, hey, good game, like you mean it. Not like you just lost your inheritance. Number 17, don't stall or slow play. Keep the pace reasonable. Don't make your opponent nap between phases. Play the game, ask questions, or for guidance if you're not sure. Don't treat each phase of your turn like a 3-hour war council, eh? Number 18, respect the space and the store rules. Clean up after yourself. Don't leave a mess, especially if it's your local store, eh? Clean up your bits, your trash, and your honor. 19, communicate about tricky rules or gotchas. This has been partly covered, but deserves its own number on the list. If your army list has a surprise mechanic, give a heads up. No one likes being blindsided unfairly. Gotcha moments are lame. Number 20, have fun. Don't be a jerk. This might be the biggest rule right here. This is supposed to be fun. It's a game. It's about the hobby, the laughs, and the dice god's betrayal. If there is anything I missed or did not cover, let me know in the comments. For your upcoming and future games, may the dice be blessed. Be sure to like and subscribe to not miss any future episodes. Share this with your gaming group, or just yell it out of your car window when you arrive into the game night. Please share any ideas and comments below. I'll read each comment. I truly appreciate all the support. Without you, this would not be possible. Thank you. Go forth, be awesome, and paint for the paint gods.